Hello everyone, my name is Sergey and now we will look at the highlights of the company Kairos. Kairos company was registered in the UK and now goes into the international market. Kairos company operates in the field of IT and its main objective to ensure the security of data storage. So let's look at the first product of the company Kairos. It's a Kairos Mail. Kairos Mail, a secure mail service that provides encryption, absolute confidentiality, anonymity, and usability. The second product is a Kairos Disk, secure storage of data. In the same way, the company provides a hollow security, scalability and availability, synchronization and adaptivity under any of your device. Next product is a Kairos Surf, which provides a secure location in the network, anonymous network of data transmission, the floating IP address, and everything else that provides security on internet. The next product will be released soon. It's Kairos Phone. It provides anonymous calls, one-time encryption case, protection against eavesdropping, and easy to use. So let's look at how you can begin to work with the company. The company offers 4 packages. Standard package for $125 requires free space on your computer, 15 GB, and provided if your computer will run 10 hours a day, your income for the year will amount $320. That is 250% per annum. This package included one product, Kairos Mail. Next one, Silver package for $597 require you 70 GB of free disk space and just under 10 hours of work per day. For a year you get $1,492 of passive income. This package add another product, Kairos Disk. The Gold package for $1,577. The company will ask you for a 180 GB of space and for a year, and you get $3,942 of passive income. This package included one more product, Kairos Surf. And the Platinum package for $2,777. You give the company 320 GB of memory on your computer, and for the year you get the net profit for $6,942. This product included all 3 products plus Kairos Phone. The company offers a very profitable marketing in that it gives 60%. Since she does not spend their finance on a production, logistics, warehousing, and depreciation of the product. Let's look at what were the career levels in the company itself and marketing plan. Kairos company chose a linear compensation plan that is easy to understand and benefit from the income. The first stage, assistant, achieved by connecting the first of its 3 partners, and it is your first line for which the company will pay you 15%. Further, if these are your 3 partners, will repeat the same things and invite 3 people, you go to the next level, manager, and the second line is get 10% bonus and 5% of dip. When one partner close level manager, he takes you to the next status. Your status is called a senior manager, and the dip bonus 7% from the total turnover of the third line. When the 3 branches receive the status manager, you rise to the status of master, and your dip bonus is 10% for the third line. When you have a 6-level master branch, you go to the executive level and your dip bonus increase to 15%. When you have 3 executive, you are a founder executive and your dip bonus is 17%. Then at 6 executive, your console and 20% of a depth bonus. Then level founder console, then the level of ambassador, and then the level founder ambassador. And then a chief ambassador under you already have 6 ambassador and you have 30% of a depth bonus. The company also offers additional bonuses and let us consider them. The first bonus, matching bonus. This is 1% of income of all partner structures from the level executive, pays 5 generations of depth, thus compressing inactive partners. Compressing means not including inactive partners. That is, you will be paid 5 generations who work and make a trade. Next bonus, support leader. 2% of the partnership lines with executive levels. It is intended for payment to qualified lines, but do not reach the qualifications. Pays 5 generations depth, excluding non-active partners. That is, if one of your partners caught up with you in the terms of, you'll get this percentage until you reach the highest level. Next reward, bonus generations. 1% of the turnover of the 2 strongest lines structure signs the level of console. Bonus valid if the turnover of these lines does not exceed 70% of the total traffic. Lateral trade should be 30% or more. World Pool bonus, paid once a quarter of 1% for those who achieve the best result and the company management's rewarded personally. Table in front of you with the calculations of the average monthly income for the carrier levels. In this table, the third package silver, third package gold, and the third platinum packages. If the statics of the structure will be higher, the result also will be higher. Level Assistant will allow you to easily earn $750, Level Manager $1,500, Level Senior Manager $3,700, Level Master $11,000, Level Executive $18,000, and so until the level of Chief Ambassador. And so we offer you to achieve a result quickly. Kairos Company offers turnkey system of doing business online and support for a strong leadership team, presentations, webinars and auto-webinars, system trainings, information support. There will be also held training schools, coaching and planning. Thank you very much for your attention to me. Get in touch and I will sort out the details of marketing and show you the advantages of working with our team.